The Honda Pioneer kits are available as a complete intercom and two-way radio kit or just a radio kit only. For this installation, we are focused on a radio kit installation only, with an optional external speaker. Step 1. Prepare the dash. We first need to drill out the rivets to remove the metal plate. A small pilot hole would be enough to remove the rivet head. Then use a pair of pliers to remove the rivet completely. With the rivets gone, remove the factory plate as shown, to expose the plastic underneath. Use a Dremel tool or other cutting device to cut along the edge where the plate was previously mounted to remove the plastic. We're going to cut along the entire edge here to create an opening for our radio and mount assembly. Step 2. Run the cables. Run the power, coax, and accessory hub cables into the cowling under the hood. This requires a little finesse. The hole in the firewall to pass the cables through is behind a wire cluster, which is behind the panel area we cut out earlier. Leave just enough lead cable to reach your radio and mount assembly when installed. After the power cable is fed through the hole, secure the cable with soft tie R-wraps as you work the power leads towards the battery terminals. Then, secure the power leads to the terminals and connect the opposite end to the waterproof connector. Next, secure the accessory hub with soft tie R-wraps, keeping it accessible for programming, firmware updates and in this installation, connecting to an external speaker. Step 3. Antenna and coax cable. Begin running the antenna coax cable along the A-pillar on the passenger side as shown here. Work the cable up and along the roll cage towards the back of the vehicle. Secure it along the way using soft tie R-wraps, as shown here, on the rear center panel of the roof. Drill a 3/8-inch hole and affix the bulkhead to the roof as shown. When attaching the NMO nut on the bulkhead, be sure not to over-tighten. The metal is pliable and it's recommended you hold your wrench vertically as shown, as this will reduce torque on the NMO nut. When complete, secure the antenna cable to the bulkhead. Step 4. Prepare the radio. Insert the radio into the mount and secure it in place with the screws that came with your radio as seen here. Before we install the mount assembly, be sure the antenna coax cable and accessory hub are connected to your radio. Once the radio assembly is installed, you won't have access to the back of the radio. Next, position and align the radio and mount assembly in the dash. Then secure it in place as shown with the included hardware, in this case, with screws and washers. Step 5. External speaker. Drill a hole in the back of the storage cubby to allow pass-through of the external speaker cable. Push the cable from the external speaker through the hole in the cubby and then attach it to the accessory hub as shown. You can bundle excess cable with a soft tie R-wrap. Next, secure the speaker mounting bracket to the front edge of the cubby with the provided self-tapping screws. Lastly, secure the speaker to the bracket with the supplied hardware. Step 6. Connect the hand mic. Clean the magnetic mount location with the included wipe. Peel the 3M adhesive backing off the mag mount and place it on the location we just cleaned. Press firmly to help affix the adhesive to the dash. Thread the hand mic connection to the radio. And last, affix the hand mic to the magnetic mount. Your installation is complete. It's always best to test radio and intercom performance in an outdoor open area. As always, Rugged Radio stands by to help with any questions you have. Check out product manuals and instructions online or give us a call for assistance. Get ready to go further. Be sure to check out our other videos for more fun and informational content. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when new content is posted. And lastly, from all of us at Rugged Radios, thanks for watching.